My name is Travis Shelton, and I run Sawdust Slayer. I'm a disabled veteran. I started out as a hobby in 2016, got the first X car, and I thought it was pretty neat, and I've always liked working with wood. Just thought I'd go ahead and try it, see how it worked out. And in 2019, started making it where I would sell some of the stuff I was making. And then when you guys came out with the X-Carve Pro, I was all for it because I had several customers that were like a entrance to a subdivision or something like that were wanting a bigger sign. I went ahead and decided that, I'd rather spend the money now and go ahead and get the upgraded machine, and I'll be able to do anything I wanted to do rather than wait and then decide I wanted to upgrade it and spend more money later on. The cedar wood that I'm using for the commercial signs is 2 inches thick. It's not your little 3/4 inch that you're putting on the smaller X-Carve. With the X-Carve Pro, you're using an actual spindle. You're not using a router. There's a lot more strength involved when you're carving it. And you can tell it. You can really tell when you're actually carving. It makes a big difference as far as be a lot more productive. And Inventables has been a really good company as far as being able to call them. And they'll work with you until it gets fixed. It doesn't matter. I don't care if it takes 6 months. They would work with you until it got fixed. It's not going to take that long, but I'm just saying they're going to help you until it's done and you're satisfied and you're back up and running. They know you're trying to run a business. You've got a quality product, and then you've got a company that's going to stand behind. They're a company that cares.